Do you want to bring more greenery into your small living space? Welcome to our guide on maximizing greenery in compact areas. Having plants around can enhance air quality, uplift your mood, and add a touch of aesthetic appeal. Stay tuned to learn how you can transform your small space into a green oasis. Firstly, choosing the right plants for small spaces is crucial. It's about finding green companions that not only fit, but thrive within the confines of your apartment or condo. Take succulents, snake plants, or pothos for instance. These little wonders are excellent choices for small space gardening. They're not just compact, but also require minimal care, adapting well to various lighting conditions. It's like they're born to be apartment dwellers, just like you. Remember, the right plant can make all the difference in a small space. Next, let's explore how to use vertical space effectively. Vertical gardening is a clever approach to maximize your garden's potential. Think hanging planters, wall-mounted pots, and shelves. These aren't just practical, they're also a stylish addition to your decor. By growing your plants upwards, you're not only saving precious floor space, but you're also creating a visually appealing green wall. So when you're planning your small space garden, remember, the sky's the limit. So don't forget to look up when planning your small space garden. Now, here are some practical tips and tricks for small space gardening. Consider multi-purpose furniture with built-in planters. Not only does it save space, but it also adds a unique element to your decor. Your windowsill is another prime real estate for small pots. Grouping plants together can give you the joy of a mini indoor garden. Remember, creativity and innovation are your best tools. You don't need a vast space, just a keen eye for opportunities. With these tips, you can create a green haven even in the smallest of spaces. Transforming a small space into a lush green area is easier than you think. Remember, choosing the right plants and utilizing vertical spaces can maximize greenery in your apartment or condo. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!